Hello everyone, thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Please do remember to subscribe, comment and like. Today I want to take you to SUMIF. SUMIF is an aspect of Excel that is very important. It helps you to pick out values amongst many other values selectively. It helps you to go into a bunch of data and select just what you want from that data, and it helps you to work very easy and it facilitates your work altogether. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, right here we have this data and we have location, we have organizations, we have boys, we have girls, and here we have three locations. We have Sopo, we have Boya, and then we have Limbe. We have four locations rather, and here in all these locations they have reached out to boys and they have reached out to girls. Support here, they have reached out to boys and girls. Boya, they have reached out to boys and girls as well. So we want to be able to come here and pick each location and tell how many boys or how many girls they have reached out to. For instance, our organization or company is asking us questions. They want to know the number of boys in support. They want to know the number of girls in support. They want to know the number of girls in Limbe. They want to know the number of boys in Limbe. Okay, so to do this is easy. Just come here. Let's start with the number of boys in support in the locations. Okay, so when we click here and we click right equals to, remember each time you want to perform an operation in Excel, it starts with equals to. When you click your equals to, you come to this FX, this small sign here just beside the formula bar, and you click. When you click here, by default you have different options. You have if, you have date, you have average, you have clean, you have count if, you have find. We are going to be looking at these other functions in other videos. So here you are going to select SUMIF because we want to sum. So you click and then you click OK. You see, and then it gives you this dialog box. Remember, we still remain click in here. Okay, and here it asks you for the range. So we want to find out the range. The range simply means where all the locations are found. Okay, so this is the range we are working in. So you have to tell Excel which range you're working in. So we are working around this range where all the locations are found, because that is where we want to go and pick whatever we want to pick. Okay, so out of this range that you have selected here, you come down here, we want to select a particular criteria, and that criteria is support because they're asking us for the number of boys in support. So we come here and we click on support. You see now, and when we come here, it is asking us to sum the range, sum of range. We go again. Each time you see range in Excel, it's asking you to go where all the data is found and select the whole of that portion. Okay, so it says sum range. So our sum range, since we are looking for number of boys in support, we'll come to number of boys here and then we select this range. You see, because it is going to come here and select every aspect of support. Like for instance, the first aspect, support has reached out to 200 boys. Support has also reached out to 250 boys. Support again, do we have support again? Yeah, we have just two support. Good. It's going to just select support and then sum it up for us. Okay, that is the idea about it. So after we have selected our range, sum of range here, since we are looking for boys, we are going to click OK. Automatically it gives us 450 boys. You see, that is the magic. So in this location we have reached out to 450 boys. Now imagine that you were working with 1,000 of data here. You see that it's easy to just go and pick. You see, so it has come here and taken 200 boys under support plus 250 boys under the same support and then summing up for us in a very short time. If I click here again and I click equals to, and it said number of girls now in support. Are you see now? I'll still come up here as we did the first time, and then I click. It gives me this dialog box. Let's fix it for you to see, and then here we click OK. Remember, we still remain clicked here. It asks for the range. We come again here. These are the range of the locations. We select, we come to criteria. It still talks about support. We click. You can click support anywhere. You can click support here. You can click here. If support was found anywhere, just click anywhere support. It goes and select everything that contains support. Okay, and then you come here. It says sum range. Now this sum range now is now talking about girls. Okay, previously was talking about boys, so now it's talking about girls. So we are going to come to this sum range, and then we select the range. It will now come here. Every data under girls that pertains to support, it will now select and sum it up for you. Let's try and see. You see 900, because if you come to support you have 500 girls, you come to support again you have 400 girls. Okay, so that's it for girls in support. And then you come here, you click, you see number of girls now in limbe. So when you click and you go to equals to, and then you come again to this small fx box, you click, and then that is SUMIF here again. You click it and then you click OK. It still gives us this other option, and then we come here now, and again it says range. So this is our range. We go to all the locations, we select, because that is where it's going to be picking, and then you come down here. Previously we selected support, now it's talking about limbe, so we are going to select limbe, and here we have 1, 2, 3 limbe. So it's going to be working with 3 limbe. Let's say we have thousands of limbes, it's going to go all through and select every data that pertains to limbe. So here now we select, it says sum range. We go to sum range and we click, and when you click here again, it's asking us, let's go again, girls in limbe. So we'll now come now to girls, and they say sum range. So we go to our range again. So it's going to come to limbe here and take 510 girls in limbe, go to another limbe and take 212 girls, go to another limbe and take 300 girls, and then we'll see the sum here. Now we click OK. You see 1022. Yes, 1022 girls. You see what we have here. So the last one, it says number of boys in limbe. We click equals to, and then we go again, and then we click here to this small formula. fx is very important to use this. Okay, it makes your work very easy. SUMIF, and then we click OK, and then we come up with this dialog box here, and then now it asks us for the range again. We go again to our locations, and then we come here, and then again it asks for our criteria. Okay, still we are still dealing with limbe, and we click limbe. Now it's asking us for boys. Previously it was asking for girls, now it is asking for boys. So we are going to come here for the sum, and first of all click in here sum range, and then we come here and then we right click and then we hold it down. We click and we hold it down, and then we select this range. So it's going to come here and select every data that pertains to limbe, and we click OK. So that's it. So we have now analyzed our data, and now we are going to be telling management that in this location we have this amount of boys, this amount of girls. We could still go on and on for BOVA as well. Okay, and also you should also take note that we could still do it for organizations. Okay, we could still do it for organizations. We have another video that talks about organizations down below. Just click on that link, you see the same video we've done for organizations. So this was focusing on the locations of locations of where we've reached out to boys or girls. So these are skills that you need to work with organizations, work with companies. It's very important because data is becoming more important than oil. So many people are dealing with data, many organizations are dealing with data, and they need to be analyzing this data and getting insights. Okay, so these are skills that are very important. Please, thank you for watching. Continue to watch and continue to learn with us. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe, remember to comment, and remember to share for others to like. Please do comment down below what you want to see in the next videos, or what you want to learn in the next videos. Thank you so much.